Doing this will clear up your computer's memory and processing power, making CS2 run smoother with better FPS. Method 1. Change in-game settings. To do this, fire up CS2 on your computer. Once the game loads up, click the gear icon from the left side corner to bring up the settings. Next, click on Video from the top bar. Now, switch to Advanced Video tab. From here, disable the Wait for Vertical Sync feature. Next, click next to Multi-Sampling, Anti-Aliasing mode and select None from the list. Then select Low for global shadow quality and model texture detail. After that, set texture filtering mode to bilinear. Then lower the quality of shader detail, particle detail, and disable ambient occlusion. Now you should see a boost in FPS. Method 2. Change the power mode of your computer. To do this, open up Settings. Then click on System. Next, click on Power. Now, click on this little box and choose Best Performance from the drop-down menu. This will improve your FPS in Counter-Strike 2. Method 3. Turn on High Performance mode for Rocket League. To do this, open up Settings. Then click on System and then on Display. Now, scroll down a little and click on Graphics. Here, in the list you'll find CS2. Just click on it and then hit the Options button. Lastly, click on High Performance and then on Save. Now, you should notice fewer FPS drops in the game. Method 4. Close unnecessary apps using Task Manager. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Now, right-click on the apps you're not using and select End Task. Doing this will clear up your computer's memory and processing power, making CS2 run smoother with better FPS. So that's how you fix lag and FPS drops in Counter-Strike 2 on your computer. If the video was useful, please hit the like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. As always, thanks for watching.